Good afternoon, children. How are you today? ағылшын тілі 7-ші сынып. English grade 7. Module 1. Hobbies and Leisure. Lesson 4. The flight of the striped eagle. Grammar comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Learning objectives. Understand independently specific information and detail in short, simple texts on a limited range of general and circular topics. Deduce meaning from context in short texts on a growing range of familiar general and circular topics. Use a growing variety of adjectives and regular and irregular, comparative and superlative adjectives. Task 1. What traditional sports are popular in Kazakhstan? Make up a list of them. The flight of the striped eagle. It is one of the most breathtaking sights you can ever see. An eagle is soaring up in the bright blue sky. Suddenly it drives at up to 120 miles an hour before returning to the falconer's hand. In its sharp claws, it carries a rabbit. This is the Kazakh steppe, and this is the sport of falconry. Falconry is said to be over 10,000 years old and even came before the invention of writing. Genghis Khan, the 20th century conqueror of Central Asia and China, had lots of birds of prey as well as falconers to take care of them. In Kazakhstan, falconry is very popular, especially with young Kazakhs who want to take up something traditional. There are schools of falconry in sanctuaries with breeding programs for endangered birds of prey such as the striker falcon. Kazakh South prefer the striped eagle with its 6 wingspan and proud case. It's no surprise that this noble creature is a symbol of Kazakh national identity. Task 2. Read the text. Answer the questions. Listen and repeat. Flight. Ұшу. Breathtaking. Тынысы тарылады. Soar. Самғау. Bright. Анық. Dive. Сүңгу. Return. Қайтып келу. Falconer. Құсбегі. Falconry. Аңшылық жасау. Invention. Ашылуы. Conqueror. Жеңімпаз. Birds of prey. Жыртқыш құс. Take up. Араластыру. Sanctuary. Қорықшы. Breeding program. Даму бағдарламасы. Wingspan. Қанат құлашы. Proud. Тәкаппар. Gaze. Көзқарас. National identity. Ұлттық ерекшелік. Task 3. To practice the vocabulary from the text. Complete sentence with breathtaking, bright, popular, dive, returns, proud. Task 1. The sport of falconry is popular in Kazakhstan. Аңшылық жасау спорты Қазақстанда танымал. Check up your work. Popular, proud, breathtaking, returns, bright, dive. Назарларыңызға рахмет. Goodbye, my dear children.